In my video guide, I'll give you instructions on getting rid of the dangerous pop-up windows that are related to the website Totalnicestoriescom. Totalnicestoriescom is one of the many websites designed to promote various untrustworthy, potentially malicious pages, although it can load its content instead of opening other pages as well. So, in one way or another, Totalnicestoriescom is not a reliable page, so you should stay away from interacting with it. The point is that often these pop-ups by Totalnicestoriescom appear in browsers without the user's intention or even participation. People may simply open their browser and suddenly there will be a range of pop-ups by this resource and may redirect people to a lot of dangerous pages in the internet. However, more troubles can be expected if you mistakenly click on this Allow button. This way, your browser will be hijacked and you will start facing a lot of ads by this deceptive resource. So what to do if the Allow button was mistakenly clicked? First thing, you need to clean your browser. So let's fix it manually. Go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, go to Privacy and Security section and choose Site Settings. Now in Permissions, select Notifications and pay very careful attention to the Allow area. Once you find these malicious sites, click on this related button and delete them from the list. Also, consider checking your control panel and inspecting your currently available programs in your Windows computer. If you locate some suspicious items, remove them. Also, I would recommend scanning your PC with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, choose the version for Windows, and download the software and start scanning your Windows device with this application. How to use Combo Cleaner for fixing your Windows computer and repairing your browser-related problems. After the program has been successfully downloaded and installed, click on its icon on the desktop. Then you may choose the preferred scan type, whether it is Quick Scan, Full System Scan or Custom Scan, and then click on Start Scan. But remember that some scan types are only available in the premium version of the program. So let's choose Quick Scan and click on Start Scan button. The program begins the scanning of our computer, and as you can clearly see, some suspicious items were already identified during the scan. After the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give us the detailed report about the condition of our Windows computer. So let's suppose that the scanning has been completed. Of course, in your particular case, the scanning would take a little bit longer. So let's assume that the scanning is over. So the program gives us the detailed report about threats found, and it shows what exact threats these are. For instance, it gives us this alert about some issues found with Google Chrome. This means that the program detected some problems with malicious sites involved in displaying web push notifications without your control. So consider upgrading to the premium version to get your Windows computer fully protected.